Hey, I'm Shubh, and I am a high school student, senior at Mallard Creek High School. Go Mavericks. I'm based in Charlotte, North Carolina, so go Tar Heels. And I am a teaching intern at Codeucate. I first started coding in middle school. It was in the 8th grade, and there's a computer science class. And I had never took any thing like that before. And all my friends were taking it, so I had to take it, of course. And I learned what coding was, and it was so fun. It was like it ignited the passion of coding, and it really taught me what it was and introduced me to like Scratch and JavaScript. We had used websites like code.org, and it was a lot of fun. My favorite coding language is probably Java, and the only reason that it is Java is because I have the most experience in it, because I had took computer science in high school, and that's what they taught. It's really fun. And there's a lot of possibilities in Java, so that too. I started to teach for Codeucate because I was sitting at home during the pandemic, like most people, and I was bored, and I wanted to do something. So I had looked on like LinkedIn or just on Google really, and I was like looking up things, and I found Codeucate, and I read what they were about, and I was like really into them and what they were doing. And so yeah, I tried out, and I got in. So that's why I basically started teaching for Codeucate. Well, I'm actually more of a coordinator, and so since I'm a coordinator, I have to like manage the teachers. So if they have any questions about the material or students, I got them covered. I remind them about emailing students and parents like 24 hours before the meetings. And yeah, I basically just handle some of the teachers. If you're learning how to code, this is the perfect time to code, because we're in a pandemic and you're just sitting at home. Probably, I can't assume. And there's so much time, and so most people, if they were outside the pandemic, they'd be like, yeah, I don't have enough time. Well, this is the time. And you've really got to be focused. There's a lot of distractions, but you got to focus. But the most important thing, I think, is passion. And I think, like, if you're really interested in coding, then you will do it. And if you're not passionate, then, I don't know what to say, but if you're passionate, then I think you can really learn how to code. So yeah, that's me. I'm Shubh, and yeah.